Have you been in love? I think everyone here has fallen in love. And I am here now to tell you of my love story. But love is not always romantic though. It could be love of your parents, love for your children, or love for your friends. Maayong hapon kaniyong tanan. Ako si Mark Castillo from Cebu, Philippines. No? Pasensya na sa akong Tagalog, no, kay mga panghali, pandiwa, pangukol, iniwan ko man sa Cebu, no. So pasensya gyud, no, sa akong Tagalog. But as I have said, no, it's love who brought me here. No? When I was young, no, when I was young, I felt that God is calling me to the priesthood or to serve Him. Pero may pag-alinlangan kasi hindi man ako banal-banal, no. Siguro banal na aso, but I'm not really holy. And I'm also scared. May takot ako, no? And I am also the eldest, no? Ako yung panganay sa pamilya. But 10 years ago, I tried to enter religious life. Pumasok ako sa buhay religyoso. Pero nabigo ako. I failed, no? Di ba masakit ang ma-failed? So after that failure of entering religious life, I worked again, no? I have many experiences. I work in food, in retail, in business, in organizing events, even boxing events, you know, teaching, research, NGO. I become jack of all trades. You know? So I have many work experience. But those work experiences are like escape, no, pagtakas. Kasi deep inside in my heart, my calling, God is pushing me. Alam mo, pag tinawag ka ng Diyos, hindi ka talaga tatantanan. No? So, I have this calling, pero I said to myself, no, itigil na ito ng kabaliwan na ito. No? Binuang man siguro ni. No? So, I have to stop this madness. My last resort was to go abroad. No? And when I have the opportunity, nung may oportunidad na akong mangibang bansa, dito sa Baclaran Church, nagsusumama ako kay Mama Mary na i-grant ang aking visa. Lumuhod ako galing sa altar galing sa pintuan papuntang altar, no? Nagsugat-sugat nga akong tuhod, no? Peting sakita. But it was all worth it. Miracles happen here in Baclaran Church. Mama Mary listened to our prayers. I am a living witness. Ako yung buhay na totoo na maraming milagro dito. Dahil ang visa ko for England ay na-approve. Salamat kay Mama Mary. At promise ko kay Mama Mary na if mag-grant ang visa ko, I will spread devotion to her honor. That is why nung pumunta na ako ng Inglaterra, dala-dala ko yung icon ng ina ng laging saklolo, doon sa England. Tapos doon, when I was there, I thought of staying there, no, for good. Because I have relatives there also. So, I was thinking of finding a job there. But, an unexpected thing happened. And we know all of it. The 2019 COVID pandemic. And it was very troublesome. No? Parang hindi natin alam kung ano ang mangyayari sa atin. No? Especially for me, when I was very far from my family and home. No? I had a crisis. No? I imagine because there in England, no, daming namatay doon, no? Almost 100,000 people died. No? And I imagine myself, no, kung mamatay ko diri, no? What if I'll die here? Did I fulfill my purpose in life? Did I fulfill my mission in life? No? So I had a crisis. But there, no, God, through the intercession of Mama Mary, no, I felt God's embrace and saying to me, come back to your first love. Come back home to your first love. And fast forward, I am now here, a novice of the Redemptorist congregation. Mga kapatid, no, brothers and sisters, isa lang ang misyon natin sa buhay. Yun ang magmahal at mahalin. Pero paano man nato na ma-actualize? How can we achieve this? To love and to be loved. How can we achieve this? We can achieve this by answering God's call. And magtanong kayo, no, you will ask, what is God's call? Where can we find God's call? God's call is within the deepest desires of your heart. Ang kalooban ng Diyos ay nasa kaibuturan ng inyong mga puso. What makes you happy? What makes you alive in the morning? That is where your joy and your love is. Kaya nga dito sa Redemptorist congregation, why did I choose Redemptorist? First of all, because I experienced to love people through the mission. Redemptorist congregation is a missionary congregation. At nung nagsimula na ako sa formation, pinaranas sila sa akin ang buhay sa misyon. Doon sa misyon, binahagi ko ang buhay ko, ang pag-ibig ko sa mga tao sa pamamagitan ng pakikilakbay sa kanila, pakikinig sa kanilang mga kwento, at pagdarasal. At in return, I also feel the love of the people. In the mission, I have many nanay, marami akong nanay, tatay, ate, kuya, kapatid, kaibigan sa misyon. No? Doon ko naranasan ang magmahal at ang mahalin. At siguro ang pangalawa, si Mama Mary. Mahal na mahal ko si Mama Mary. Di ba nag-promise ako sa kanya to spread devotion to her honor? And the Redemptorist congregation, their task is also to spread devotion to her, to make her known throughout the world. And that is why I am here. It's as if kagaya ako ng kitongin. Bumalik ako dito para magpasalamat kay Mama Mary. And Mama Mary has been my guide. I think siya talaga ang nag-lead sa akin to Jesus. Siya ang nag-guide sa akin para papunta, para maging isang Redemptorist. Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, especially the young people, I invite you, inaanyayahan, especially the young people, no, to listen to God's call, no, to have this radical kind of love, the love that doesn't ask anything for return, no, to follow God's will. And may I request everyone to please do pray for me. Hindi madali ang buhay religyoso, pero it's all worth it, no, because God is always there. But I pray for you, please do pray for me. I also pray for you that your petition may be answered. Remember, Mama Mary listened to our prayers and miracles happen in Baclaran Church. Magandang hapon po sa iyong lahat. Inahan sa kanunayang panabang, our Mother Perpetual Help, Ina ng laging saklolo, ipanalangin niyo po kami. Amen.